Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install the Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A70. To do this, you will need to open the Google Play Store, look for the Microsoft Edge, select it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch that browser, and right here we can customize it. Sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it, accept or disagree with a data sharing preference, and click on confirm. Lastly, let's set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, and from here you can start browsing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.